curious your thoughts are, because I've been like thinking about it a lot lately,
Mhm.
is like the FOMO of being in your 20s and just kind of it feels like we're stuck in between these like different worlds where on
Mhm.
one hand we're not like we're still trying to be young and like not die inside because we have plenty of time for that when we like get married and have kids and all that or whatever else the hell adults do. But on the other, like we do need to like actually get our shit together. So
Yep.
like one of the things I'm like thinking about lately that's like I've been and I think it's especially because my time has been like non-existent the past month with just the move and everything.
Mhm.
I've been feeling guilty about the fact that I haven't been able to like say see friends or go out or meet new people the way that historically I've been able to do. Where like I feel like on one hand, like you think about your parents when they had kids and stuff, like when I don't know, like maybe everyone's different, but like at least when I was young and just most of my like childhood, my
Mhm.
parents like had their friends, but they weren't like going out and being social because like they had responsibilities. Like you're an adult, that's one of the things you have to take care of, and kind of just like how we can't go out as much now being adults as like say when in college because of those responsibilities.
Mhm.
I'm still trying to find that happy medium right now where in one hand you have the FOMO because in college and all that stuff, like so much time was around social activities where it's like always like parties and you're living with your friends. So you're
Right.
just interacting with those friend groups and able to kind of keep them,
Closer.
yeah, closer a lot easier. But like just being in like your mid 20s and now it's different where you have your stuff you have to take care of. So it's not like a hey, like you want to see these people, but also it's like I gotta do my stuff. But then you're like, it's I feel like there is a bit of that just weird negative thoughts that a lot of people experience around like you have certain
Mhm.
friends who you're growing away from. Some people move away. Others you only have a chance to see like once a month. And then it's like, hey, like even if I get to see these people, I'm thinking about the fact that I haven't gotten a chance to like see these other people. And I feel like everyone's expectations are also in like a weird flux too, where it's like, let's just say when you're an adult and you have a family and kids,
Mhm.
everyone's parents. So it's like, if you're just like, hey, the kids, everyone's like, I get it. When
Right.
everyone's like at different maturity levels in their 20 and have like different expectations and areas of focus, it's not just like a thing of in your head of like, hey, your own thoughts. It's also just like different people have different expectations for you too. And it just like
Yeah.
adds to the messiness.
Yeah. I think it's complex for me. Like it's very complicated, but I try my best to at least have like one social event a month. At
Mhm.
least because sometimes I feel like I've just become a worker lately. Like my life is work and that's it. Work
Mhm.
and home.
That's part
And
of what I've been thinking about this. Yeah.
yeah, and like when I was in college, I was not a home person. I was never home, never. I was always outside, always doing social stuff and everything. Um, I graduated in 2017, so that's a long time. And I've been in this process of realizing that the way I socialize now is totally different to how I socialized back in the day. And it's also weird because I came from a college town, right? Tallahassee is a college town. They're all students. They're all kind of in the same stage of life that everyone else is. They're going to school. Now some of us work from home, some of us go to an office. They like my friends here, they all have different jobs and some of them even have children. I don't mind going out with them and their children, but they might have to be home at a certain time, and they're just like in different stages of lives compared to me, right? And I feel like sometimes I'm so comfortable at home because I'm always kind of tired, so I just want to be my couch or like cooking at home or doing home stuff, but I need to force myself to also go out and do other things like have a social life because you also end up you know, going a little crazy when you're like just with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, you know, like
I
you,
I have to mention that after you finish your train of thought. Yeah.
yeah, like you end up being like, I don't know, like I feel like at some point I tell my boyfriend sometimes, I'm like, you're not gonna hang out with your friends, like you, I think you need some testosterone around you or something, you know, because
No,
it is
literally, yeah.
true. It is true. Or like we girls, we need to like, I don't know, do girl stuff,
Yeah,
but
you need to complain about your boyfriends. That's part of like
exactly.